Hi, I'm Yash, and I'm founder of Poshak. Poshak is a very beautiful concept where we are trying to help people dress better and dress more sustainably. Around 8 months ago, we came across a hackathon which was called the HackDiff by Ellen MacArthur Foundation, and we thought that it had a very beautiful idea behind it of circular economy. We were already working in fashion, and we thought that nowhere is circular economy so relevant as it is in fashion. Fast fashion in particular tends to be very unsustainable. A lot of clothes that we are buying from these stores end up in the landfill. And therefore, we thought that this is a good chance for us to maybe find a way to make fashion more sustainable. And therefore, we went ahead and participated in the HackDiff hackathon, and we even won. We came up with a solution which we thought will help people keep the kind of clothes that they like and they wear more often in their wardrobe for longer. And therefore, the idea was to help you keep your clothes away from the landfill as long as possible. That was one way we thought that we could improve the sustainability of dressing. So we went ahead after the hackathon and we expanded our team. We kept working on this product. And today we are having a demo, a prototype which is ready to be rolled out. The concept behind our product which won the hackathon way back was the fact that how do you help people keep and love and dress up in the classic pieces in their wardrobe more often and help them wear it more often and therefore keep it away from the landfill as long as possible. So it has been an amazing journey since the last 8 months, and we're looking forward to roll out this in the real world very soon.
Hi, I'm Ruchit. I'm one of the core team members at Poshak. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from National Institute of Technology. It has been my dream to build an organization with strong ethics and innovation, and an organization that lasts longer. Even in my college days, I have led various student chapters, and I have seen team building and team management part very closely. Even at Poshak, I worked in business development part with Yash. While you are developing a product, the best part comes when you get a validation for a product from one of your potential customers. And like when we are pitching our idea, we have seen this excitement in retailers' eyes and on their face while listening to our idea. So we all are very lucky to be working on such an innovative and groundbreaking product.
Hi, I'm Benoli, a graduate of textile design from the National Institute of Design. Being a textile student, I have known about circular economy, have done a sustainability analysis on brands like H&M, Patagonia, and Dosa. My final year project was with Ethicus to create a range of sustainable and ethical products. New and innovative ideas in the field have always excited me, and I joined the Poshak team. I'm a part of the fashion team, and my role is to put a designer's point of view in the algorithm in a very simple yet effective manner. I guide the team on basic principles of design and the role of visuals in fashion. I have worked at well-known design houses in the country before joining the Poshak team.
Hi, I am Ruchi and I graduated from National Institute of Fashion Technology, majoring in fashion. Before joining Poshak, I interned at Wrangler and also worked as a freelancer, which helped me a lot in knowing about people's psychology about fashion and lots of local trends. So during my graduation period, I traveled a lot, which helped me in developing a good fashion sense. At Poshak, I am working under the fashion team and I guide the team about different factors affecting fashion around us. I'm really excited about this product, and the fact that it's helping many of the companies in achieving their goals is amazing.
Hi, I'm Ketul. I have pursued my master in computer science field from one of the renowned computer science institute from the country. With the passion and the inclination about the research and algorithm, and also with the coding skill I have, I am handling the technological part at the Poshak. I have a research experience in the machine learning and computer vision, and also I did my postgraduate projects around the same field. I truly believe that with the technological power the world has, and with the innovative ideas, we can change the world. And the same thing is going in our team.
Hi, I'm Nitesh and I handle engineering at Poshak. I'm told if I wasn't good with technology, I would have been a great stand-up comedian. Before Poshak, I used to work as a freelance consultant for over 3 years and handle delivering quality products to individuals and companies all across the globe. At Poshak, my responsibilities are to constantly develop the product and keep it alive at all times. I believe our team has some specific set of skills that will make us global.
Hello, I'm Riken. I've done my bachelor's in electrical engineering from National Institute of Technology. In my college years, I have spent time on hands-on robotics, machine learning, and algorithms that drives robotics. I have worked on the algorithms and their implementation. I love exploring new technologies and the core mathematics behind it. During my initial days of programming, I have realized that the answer to most difficult problems lies in the simpler solutions. And I love to see how our team is bringing the simpler solutions to most difficult problems of the world. My role at Poshak includes image processing and machine learning, and to implement the algorithms that drives our core technology.